Fragili. 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 Looking like Christmas story over here, my boy. Shit. Pack landed. Pack landed. Let me know. See what that shit right there? Tony Lee. Las Vegas. Marco. Chrome Depot. I'll have to open these bad boys up. Like Christmas. There's like Christmas in here. See if there's a leg lamp. See what I pull out these bad boys right now. Stay tuned. All right, I got one open. My boy got some packaging skills over there, man. Ah, diggity. All right, let me see where I can put this camera at. Give you a nice little view. I don't got a tripod or nothing. Let me see what I got. Let me see how this works out. So this bad boy, this is for sale. If I'm not mistaken, it's for a 87 Monte Carlo LS Euro clip. Oh yeah, this is a little insert. This is one of the chrome inserts. Triple mesh. You should be able to tell what side it goes on when you should be able to tell what side it goes on when you try to put it in there. When you try to put it in the slot, this side's looks like a little bit thicker over here. Look at that work, my boy. Look at that work. Quality Tiara. All right, that's one of the it's one of the bottom inserts. I'm not gonna open this one. Leave it wrapped up. I do want to get to this one. I could see it has the light up badge right there. No razor blade needed. So this, I believe this side goes. I believe this goes on the driver's side. Tiara. Did I say Monte Carlo? I think it's yeah, it should be Monte. No, this is a Cutlass. Damn it. Let me double check. Let me double check my text. Tony, I'm confused. Tony Tiara. Let me see what he said. Euro. It is a Euro. So this bad boy, I believe, is a Cutlass Euro then. I said Monte Carlo, and I was wrong. Yeah, Cutlass Euro. That's that offer up hitting. So this is the one that we're opening, Cutlass Euro. You see the badge is on the driver's side. There's the badge right there. So this is an 87 Cutlass Euro Tiara, triple mesh, light up grill. Very clean setup. Very simple plug and play. Comes with a remote, wireless remote in the bag. Oh, he even gives you the connections, splicers. There's the remote. This is the remote for the lights. Change the colors. Real basic power ground. Gonna open another one up. See what other goodies we got. All right, here we go. This is a 8-door GMC Chevy Savannah van. Tiara grill. Big boy. Big boy shit right here, my boy.
Oh man. I ain't no shit, man.
Let's check it out. I haven't seen. You got soaked, didn't you? And it just stopped. It stopped already?
Some of them got a I touch them up from the tape wasn't
Straight up.
we got to touch them up and come off to the tape.
Oh, they pulled the. Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
They let it. They pulled the tape before it dried or something.
actually, my son did that. My person though, he didn't want to take all of.
No kidding. Yeah, good job. Who sprayed it?
I did the same.
Triple mesh, full chrome, 8-door van, Tiara grill. Gotta find my I don't see my yeah. I don't see the remote. Oh, maybe right here. Nope. What tire was that, Black?
I don't remember what size I had you put on the back. But don't worry about it. I actually sold the motherfucking car.
No remote. No plate. Maybe it's in the rest of the boxes.
Can they make that for
Oh man, you already know. We always gotta come up with the first in the world, my boy. Check this bad boy out. Full gloss black. Rolly. Black power, my boy. What you know about that? Positive, negative. Boom. Padow. What's up? Coming to the west side. In the G20 van near you. Got that big old black power face right there, my boy. Rolling. First in the world, baby. First in the world. You know how we do. Toma. Alright, I could only do so much holding the camera on my shirt collar. So I'm gonna get nice and close to this bad boy now. Look at that rolly. Really nice, clean, rolly wristband right there. Powder coated gloss black. Triple mesh. First in the world. G20 van. Black power grill. Oof. Heavy, heavy. That rolly heavy, my boy. Clean, clean Billie Jean. Authentic right there. Authentic. On to the next one. You know what, I went through the Savannah van really fast. I wanted to get to this one, but here's the Savannah 8-door Savannah van, 1500 van, full chrome, Tiara grill, Tiara badge, triple mesh. This one's for sale. The black G20 van was a customer's ordered, not for sale, but I get you one with the quickness. Check this bad boy out. Let me see, can I light up this one? Yeah, it's right there. Let me see what I gotta do. Right there, open this up a little bit. I don't want to lean it on there. I'm gonna scratch the merchandise. Let me get that one out the way. We'll light up the Tiara, that we'll light up the Savannah one next. This is the G20 van, not for sale. Like I said, I'll get you one. I'll get you one lickety split. Let me cover it up. I don't want no smoke. Cover that sucker up. Boom. Fragile. Don't forget the Fragile. And here is the 8-door Savannah van. Got the big old grill. Let me get the battery over here and light this bad boy up. Positive, negative. Toma. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Illumination. Boom. That's nice. All right, how many we got to go? We got 3 down and 3 more to go. Let's finish these up so I can post these bad boys for sale. Stay tuned, stay tuned. I mean, he get some money for it.
Yeah. You got some more grills in.
Yeah, I got 6 total.
How much them grills in, man?
Yeah, little.
Man, I'm just so tired of putting money in that fucking car, man.
In the lack?
That Chevy.
Or the Chevy?
Oh, I wanna go. Do you got a big ass grill for the like old school, the gangster grills?
I just saw one on eBay. E&G grill with the gold teeth.
How much?
I gotta check, but I was trying to look up these grills. This is 87 Monte Carlo LS.
Okay.
Triple mesh.
I don't want to sell that car, man. I'm gonna just keep it, man. I get a house, put it in the driveway, in the garage, just keep it.
The box Chevy.
Exactly.
Did you see? For that ass. 84 to 87 brushed triple mesh light up badge. Wholesale color changing remote. Looks like this has a little protective tape on there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone. Triple mesh, brush, finish.